Hello, welcome. Let's make dal in instant pot. Take half a cup moong dal, yellow lentil, small one. Wash 2 to 3 times. Looks like this, small. Wash the dal. Soak it for half an hour. This is soaked moong dal or yellow lentils. 3 cups of water, half medium sized tomato and half small onion. Small or medium? Small to medium. Then this is 1 tablespoon of chickpea flour. You can add any flour or you can even skip the flour. A little bit piece of jaggery, half teaspoon cumin crushed or cumin powder, half teaspoon coriander powder and quarter teaspoon chili powder, turmeric and garam masala or hot spices powder. Very little piece of green chili. Mix everything in an instant pot. Set the timer and it's done. Also add salt, half teaspoon or according to your taste. Now mix everything. I'm adding dal with water. Soak dal nearly 1 to 2 hours. Roughly chopped onion, tomato. Make it loose. Just add it and add 3 cups of water. You can also add 4 cups if you want. I'm adding 3 cups plus soaked dal with water. Mix it well. You can make it oil free, but here I'm adding teaspoon of oil. Just a little bit, teaspoon of oil. That's it. If you don't want to add oil, you can make it oil free. Now close the lid. Close the pressure and set it on pressure cook for 3 minutes and it will be done. First it will preheat after preheating 3 minutes. All right, it's done. Let's check it. Wow! Yellow lentil dal is ready. Look how beautiful. Let's serve it. Serve it hot with rice or roti or naan or paratha. You can mash it a little bit and look how beautiful. Lentil or moong dal is ready. Thank you for watching. Bye.